Okay, so today we are gonna do something new, and that's about numbers. So let's see. So what was the first number that we have learned? Yeah, that was number 1. And this. Now I have a task for you. You need to find this number 1 in your room. Wherever you are, I don't care. Just find it out, this number in your room. Okay, let's try. Suppose for me, I can say, I have one pen in my hand. So I can find this number 1 here in my hand, in my room. So now, the next task for you. Let's be ready for that. Your next number is 2. Where we can find this number 2 in our room? Can we? Okay, let's try. So, for me, I have one thing for you. You see, here I have 2 books with me. So I can say this number 2 is here as 2 books. So we can easily find number 2 in our room. Now let's go to this number. Number 3. Where is number 3 in my room? Okay, let's find. Say, So you see, I have one fan here. Okay, and in my fan I can see there are 3 blades. So I can see this number 3 is also here in my room. So like this, we can find these numbers everywhere in our daily life. Now let's come to the real challenge. I have a challenge for you, really interesting challenge, and that's about the number 0. Where you can find this number, Mr. 0, here in your room. Can we find this number 0 in my room or your room? Okay, let's try. As we all know, this number 0, we call it shunya, right? The actual name was shunya, and as we all know, shunya was invented by Aryabhatta, an Indian mathematician. Now, this shunya means nothing. Where there is a vacant space or nothing, we call it shunya. Okay, so 0 must be something like that. So where we can find number 0? So let's try. Okay, let's take one example. Maybe you are sitting on a chair. So if you are sitting on a chair, so I'm not good, I cannot draw good things, good pictures. So but let's try. Say this is be the chair. Something like that. So suppose you are sitting on the chair right now. So basically you are one person, so you are here now. Now you are coming out of the chair, you are standing here. Now what will happen? We can easily say this 1 will vanish from here. It will vanish from here. So nobody is there. So that means its place becomes shunya, vacant. So we can say, represent this situation, this chair, that how many people are there on that chair. If I'll ask you, you will easily say that there are 0 persons, means that number 0. Okay, so that is the significance of 0, and in such cases we can find 0 here in our vacant chair. Okay, so that's number 0 in our room. Now one more real challenge for you. Where is -1 and -2 and -3 and so on? Where we can find the negative numbers? Can you tell me? Can you give me one example of negative numbers in your rooms? That should be a real challenge. Okay, let's try. Let's think about this scenario. The chair, and you are sitting on a chair. So when you are there, one person was there, right? One person was there, and you are coming out of this chair. It becomes 0. Yes? So what happened actually? You are there, one person was there, you are coming out of this chair, and it's becoming 0. So that's the -1. Means if you sit on the chair, This is plus 1, means only number 1. You are sitting on the chair, and if you are coming out of this chair, this is minus 1. This opposite process, we call it minus 1. So can you tell about minus 2? One example of minus 2. Yes, suppose you are giving 5 chocolates to your friend. Okay, so he has 5 chocolates. Now suppose he is going to give more 2 chocolates from that to any others. So how many will be there? Yeah, we can say 5 minus 3, 2 chocolates will be there, right? That means, sorry, he has given 2 chocolates, so 3 chocolates will be there, right? So out of 5 chocolates, he gave 2 chocolates, so that is minus 2. So that's how we can get minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in our regular life. So hopefully you can find out every number from today in our everyday life, in your room, in your school, in your social affairs, in your social communication, everywhere you can find those numbers. Now on, try to find those numbers in your life. It will make maths interesting. Thank you so much. Take care.